Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, Sarah, now you are okay. All right. Let me say that again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah. Let's pray together, everybody. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi srahli sadari wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. How are you, Rara?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Raushan, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Festi, how are you? Yeah, hopefully you are all fine, yeah? You too, Festi. Okay. We're going to continue our session for today, everybody. But before that, I'm going to tell you what we're going to have in the next days, yeah? We're going to see the calendar. So you know what we're going to have in the next weeks, yeah? Okay, please wait. I'm going to show you our days. Yeah, let me show you the calendar. So this is June, and we're going to have some things, some activities, yeah. Okay, I'm going to share with you the calendar. Do you see the calendar, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Today is June the 11th, yeah, or the 11th of June, 2021. And today we have the 9th session, yeah. We have the 9th session today, pertemuan ke-9. And then over here, minggu depan sudah terima rapot kan? Ya, tesnya sudah selesai? Rara?
Sudah.
Sudah. Raushan dan Fesi juga mungkin sudah selesai juga ya. Oke, no problem Raushan. Ya, Raushan makan siang, makan pagi atau makan malam? Makan siangnya terlambat atau makan malamnya lebih kasih nih?
Aku aja belum sarapan.
Oh,
makannya siang.
Loh, wah. Ya, moga-moga sehat terus ya. Tapi udah ngemil kan, maksudnya udah makan apa sesuatu gitu ya, biar perutnya nggak kosong. Oke. Ya, let's go back to this one. Today we are going to have the 9th session. Sesi kita, pertemuan kita ada 12. Minggu depan terima rapot. Nah, biar libur, sama-sama libur juga. Sebetulnya minggu depan biasanya kita bareng terima rapot di sekolah dan terima rapot di kampung Inggris. Tapi biar nggak keburu-buru, kita mundur 1 minggu. Jadi terima rapot di kampung Inggris tanggal 26. So, tanggal 25 rencananya kita selesai untuk level 8 ini. Jadi pertemuan kita masih ada 3, tapi waktunya tinggal 2 minggu lagi. Ya, di sekolah sudah tidak ada tes kan? Jadi kita tambah 1 kelas lagi bisa ya. Nanti tanggal 11 pertemuan ke-9 hari ini. Terus tanggal ke-18, tanggal 25, kita ada 1 lagi. Sesi lagi biar pertemuannya jadi 12. Tanggal 25 selesai, 26 terima rapot. Habis itu libur sampai tanggal mana nih? Juli. Oke. Libur sampai Juli. Wait, so. Nah, sekolahnya kan liburnya sampai tanggal ini 8, 9, ini Juli kan? Ya. Tanggal 12 masuk insya Allah untuk yang di sekolah. Jadi nanti di kampung Inggris juga berangkatnya sama, tanggal 12. Liburnya lama ya. I don't know. Hopefully Aska will join us soon ya, Fesi. Oke, kita lihat bulan Juni lagi ya. Let's see. Kalau kursusnya Sabtu pagi, pilihan Miss Yunita kasih pilihan 3 ya. Sabtu pagi jam 8, Sabtu sore jam setengah 3, atau Senin sore jam 4. Pilih mana? Rara pilih mana, Ra? Sabtu pagi, Sabtu sore, Senin sore.
Sabtu sore ya, Miss.
Sabtu sore. Rausya?
Soalnya takutnya kalau pagi pergi gitu kan. Soalnya ayah mau balik ke sini.
Oh gitu, oke. Rausyan, what do you think? Sabtu sore atau Senin sore, Rausyan? Karena Sabtu pagi kelihatannya buru-buru nih kepagian nih. Sabtu sore atau Senin sore, Rausyan?
Besok
Besok sore.
enggak, minggu depan.
Apanya?
Apa?
Besok sore pergi tidak?
Besok sore?
Ada acara?
Enggak sih.
Enggak sih, oke. Jadi misalnya besok sore bisa? Jam setengah 3 sampai jam setengah 4.
Hah, setengah 3?
Oh, kenapa? Kaget. Atau setengah 4 sekalian biar habis asyar deh. Nggak nabrak sholat asyar. Kenapa, Ra?
Gak apa-apa.
Pengen setengah 3 atau setengah 4? Kalau setengah 3 nanti asyarnya kita nggak jamaah di masjid. Biasanya Raushan ke masjid nggak kalau asyar?
Iya.
Iya, berarti setengah 4 besok.
Tapi kalau pagi, tapi yang lainnya gimana?
Raushan pengen pagi atau sore?
Pagi sih.
Enakan pagi. Ra, gimana, Ra?
Kalau mau
Gak
sore?
tahu.
Hah?
Gak tahu.
Nggak tahu. Vesi, ya. Sabtu pagi atau Sabtu sore, Vesi?
Sabtu sore, Miss.
Sabtu sore. Kenapa Sabtu pagi ada acara?
Nggak ada sih.
Nggak ada sih, cuma enakan sore ya. Gimana, Raushan?
Tahu, udah sore aja.
Setengah 4 ya.
Setengah 4, ya.
Gimana, teman-teman? Rara, Vesi?
Iya.
Ya. Ya. Mau setengah 4 apa mau siang sekalian? Kalau siang, Miss Yunita bisa jam 1. Ngantuk ya. Oke. Besok sore deh ya, biar bisa jamaah di masjid. Besok sore jam setengah 4 sampai jam 4.40. Kita kan 70 menit. Jadi jam 3.30 sampai jam 4:40. Nah, besok kalau misalnya harus pergi, Rara pergi misalnya, bisa seperti Vesi kadang-kadang pergi terus videonya boleh dimatikan, tetap bisa ngikutin dari mobil misalnya gitu, bisa. Atau kalau misalnya Miss saya benar-benar izin, nanti Miss Yunita kirimkan Zoom rekaman Zoom-nya. Oke? Yeah. So we're going to have session 10 tomorrow afternoon ya, at 3:30. We're going to have the class at 3:30. Okay, now let's see what we're going to have today. Biasanya kalau sesi ke-10 itu adalah reading. And the topic for our second part is about, masih ingat topiknya apa? Kita lagi bicara apa? Solar system. Iya, planet, solar system. Now let's watch a video about solar system. Let's watch first, and then because our focus is on reading, so So we're going to listen and see the subtitles ya. Nanti videonya ada subtitlenya. Sambil mendengarkan, sambil dilihat subtitlenya biar tahu, oh ini bacaannya ini bacaannya gini gitu ya. Okay, we're going to watch first, listen, and then see the subtitles ya. Ini caranya kita belajar membaca kata-kata bahasa Inggris dan intonasinya juga. Okay? Yes, let's watch the video together.
The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar nebula, a swirling disk of material that collided to form the solar system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way's Orion star cluster. Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary systems, and one of those stars is our own sun. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. The planets are divided into 2 categories based on their composition, terrestrial and Jovian. Terrestrial planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are primarily made of rocky material. Their surfaces are solid, they don't have ring systems, they have very few or no moons, and they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the Sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next to this world of fire is a world of water, Earth. The water systems on this planet help create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and the ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, sport ring systems, have no solid surface, and are immense. The largest Jovian is also the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Nearby is Saturn, the solar system's second largest planet. Its signature rings are wide enough to fit between Earth and the Moon, but are barely a kilometer thick. Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The slightly bigger of these ice giants, Uranus, is famous for rotating on its side. Next to Uranus is Neptune, the outermost planet in the solar system and also one of the coldest. Orbiting the terrestrial planets is the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rocky objects full of remnants from the solar system's formation, from microscopic dust particles to the largest known object, the dwarf planet Ceres. Another disk of space debris lies much further out and orbits the Jovian planets, the icy Kuiper belt. Apart from asteroids, the Kuiper belt is also home to dwarf planets such as Pluto and is the birthplace of many comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a vast spherical collection of icy debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system since that is where the gravitational and physical influences of the Sun end. Our solar system's particular configuration of planets and other celestial objects, all revolving around a life-giving star, make it a special place to call home.
Wow, amazing, yeah, amazing. If we know English, then we can learn so many things. Now let's look at the first or the beginning of the solar system, right? So we're going to see some of the sentences and then we're going to understand, yeah, we're going to try to understand the sentences, okay?
Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the
in the entire Milky Way galaxy.
The
Okay.
entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a
Let's find
solar
out
nebula,
about the
a
planet.
swirling disk of material that collided to form the solar system.
Milky Way galaxy is the name of our galaxy ya. Ada yang tahu nggak Milky Way bahasa Indonesianya apa? Nama galaksi kita adalah, di sekolah sudah ada pelajaran solar system?
Belum.
Belum. Okay.
Belum.
Alright. Di
The
masa
solar system is located in the Milky Way's Orion star cluster. Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary
Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary systems.
systems, and one of those stars is our own sun.
Ya. Sebentar, kita balik lagi.
Planetary system.
Only 15%, hanya 15% of stars dari stars, what is star? Bintang in the galaxy, di galaksi, host, memiliki planetary system, sistem planet, ya. Alright.
And one of those stars is our own sun.
Ya, salah satu bintang itu adalah matahari kita, our sun. Okay.
Revolving around the sun are 8 planets.
Yes, revolving. Ada yang punya kamus? Rara, Raushan, Tesi, kalau punya kamus boleh dibuka. Kalau sedang buka laptop atau HP, boleh dilihat di Google. Revolve itu artinya apa coba? Revolve. Di sini kita tulis di sini ya. I'm going to use revolve. Revolve. Revolving comes from the word revolve. Oke, yuk kita cari bareng-bareng. Rara, Raushan, and Fesi. Let's look up this word in the dictionary. If you have a dictionary at home, then you can see revolve. What does it mean? If you are connected to the internet, you can find the word revolve on the Google search. Yeah, you can type revolve English, and then you will find the English word of the translation of revolve, or you can use the Google Translate English Indonesian revolve. Yeah, can you find it? What is the meaning of revolve?
Okay.
Yes. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. Let's find the meaning of revolve. Have you found it? You can say the English meaning, definition, or the Indonesian word of revolve.
Berputar.
Berputar. Okay. Rara, what word do you find?
Berputar.
Berputar sama. Fesi? Berputar juga? Atau berevolusi? Iya, oke. Berputar ya. Berputar around the sun, berarti berputar apa? Mengelilingi matahari adalah 8 planets. Jadi ada 8 planets yang berputar mengelilingi Matahari. Matahari. Okay. Let's see.
The planets are divided into two categories based on their composition: terrestrial
Wait. I'm going to go back.
and
Yeah? The
The planets
planets
are divided into
are divided into two categories. Divide. Yo, dicari lagi. Divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Divide. Apa artinya divide? What is divide in Indonesian? Divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. What does it mean? Divide. The planets are divided into two categories. The planets are divided into two categories. Divide. D-I-V-I-D-E.
Terbagi.
Terbagi. Yes, very good.
Bagi.
The planets are divided. Kalau ada are, is, kemudian ada kata kerja ed, ini berarti kalimatnya pasif. Planet tersebut are divided, terbagi, into, menjadi two, dua kategori, ya. Jadi 8 planet itu terbagi menjadi dua kategori.
two categories based on their composition.
Based on their composition, berdasarkan komposisi planet itu, ya, berdasarkan komposisinya atau pembentuknya, planet-planet itu terbagi menjadi dua.
Terrestrial and Jovian.
Ya, terrestrial and Jovian. So in English, we know two categories of the planets, terrestrial and Jovian. Let's look at these two.
Terrestrial planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are primarily made of rocky material. Their surfaces are solid. They don't.
Yeah, let's go back. Terrestrial and
Mars and Jovian. Terrestrial material, including Mercury.
Very fast. Terrestrial planets, planet-planet terrestrial, including, ya, including. Kita cari lagi. Including itu kata dasarnya include. This one, include. What is include in Indonesian?
Termasuk.
Termasuk, yes, that's right, termasuk. Planet-planet terestrial termasuk Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Venus, Earth, and Mars are primarily made of
rocky material. Primarily, yuk kita cari primarily.
Terutama.
Okay, very nice. Terutama terbentuk dari rocky material. What is rocky? Rock
Batu.
itu batu. Jadi planet-planet terestrial itu terbentuk dari batuan, ya. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are primarily made of rocky material. Jadi lebih keras ya, lebih berbatu. Right. So let's see the
rocky material. Their surfaces are solid. They don't have ring systems. They have very few or no moons, and they are relatively small.
Yes. So
or no moons.
These are what we have for terrestrial planets, yeah. They're made of rocky material. Surfaces are solid. Ya, sekarang surfaces. Coba cari. Surface. Tanpa S nih biasanya kalau di kamus. Surface. What is surface in English? Surface. What is surface?
Permukaan.
Permukaan. Okay. And then solid. What is solid?
Solid.
Find the meaning of solid.
Padat.
Padat ya. Dalamnya tidak melompong,
Padat.
tapi padat. Made of rocky material. Jadi planet terestrial itu terbuat dari batuan, material berbatu. Permukaannya padat. Don't have rings. Tidak mempunyai cincin. Very few moon. Mempunyai sedikit bulan atau tidak ada sama sekali. Relatively small. Relatif kecil, tidak besar-besar ya. Planetnya tidak sebesar yang Jovian. Okay, let's see Jovian.
And they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet with temperature.
Okay, let's see. Mercury is the smallest planet, shortest orbit in the solar system. The smallest planet in our galaxy is Mercury. Ya, smallest. Kemarin kita belajar tentang superlatif yang paling. So Mercury is the smallest planet, planet terkecil. Shortest orbit, orbitnya lintasan berputar di mengelilingi mataharinya lebih paling kecil karena paling dekat sama matahari ya. Mercury passing in front of the sun ya, langsung di depan matahari.
At about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet with temperatures of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows.
Yes. Venus is the hottest planet. Okay, Venus is the hottest planet.
Water systems on this planet help create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago, when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn and ice giants Uranus and Neptune.
Yes, so we have gas giants and ice giants, Uranus and Neptune.
The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and the ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, sport ring systems, have no solid surface, and are immense.
Okay, now the last for this video, please try to find the word immense. Try to find the meaning of immense. This one, I-M-M-E-N-S-E, immense. So the Jovian planets have multiple moons, no solid surface. They have support ring system. They have rings, yeah, and they're immense in size. What is immense?
Besar sekali.
Besar sekali, ya. Like giant, yeah. They are very, 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 very big. Okay, very big. Yeah. Okay, so we have learned some words of the planets. Yeah, I'm going to show you some of the pictures in the oh, sorry, not this one. Please wait, everybody. Yes. Now we have these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see the pictures. We're going to go to the next part of the book. So this one is on our course book. Let's see number 1, everybody. Talk about the pictures, find the one that doesn't belong. If we have just now, after we have seen the planets, we have terrestrial and Jovian. Let's look at the planet over here. We have the planet and the moon, the planet and the moon. Find the one that doesn't belong. Doesn't belong itu tidak, mestinya nggak ada di sini. Beda sendiri, aneh, aneh sendiri. A, B, C, or D. Kalau tadi ada terrestrial, ada Jovian. Terrestrial itu bentuknya berrocky, nggak punya cincin, bulannya sedikit. Sekarang kita lihat, look at the pattern. Kira-kira yang mestinya nggak ada di kategori ini yang mana? A, B, C, or D? Coba kita amati.
Kalau C,
Kalau C kenapa?
apa ya?
Kenapa C nggak ada di situ? Harusnya. Why do you think C should not be there? Doesn't belong to the group?
Itu
Because?
di atas yang moon.
Iya. A, B, C, picture A, B, and D. In these pictures, the moons are up, on top of the planet. But over here, the moon is under. Yes, okay. You're right, Raushan. So this doesn't belong to the group. Now look at number 2. Which picture that doesn't belong to the group?
Benderanya B.
Yes, very nice. Yo, Festi and Rara. Number 3.
Apa ya?
Can you find this one? Blue, orange.
Yang beda itu apa? Trails, apa sih trails?
Tail, ekornya.
Iya. Bukan.
Bukan apanya?
Apa ya?
How do you describe it in Indonesian? What happened to each of this picture? A, B, C, D. Apa yang sama dan apa yang beda from these 4 pictures?
D.
D.
D beda.
What is different?
Itu sih.
It doesn't have
belakangnya.
Long tail. It has the short tail. Okay. Number 3, B, it doesn't belong to the group. What about number 4? Yo, Rara, Fesi. What do you think? Which one?
Apa ya? Aneh semua.
Aneh semua. Okay. What can you say about the picture? Which one doesn't belong? Yeah?
Tahu.
What is it?
Matanya yang C beda.
Yang C?
C.
Yes.
Matanya Ika.
Oh iya. Or if you see this one, the ears, B, C, and D have like antenna over here, yeah? So if we see from this, then A doesn't belong to the group. But if we see the eyes, then C won't belong to the group, yeah? Okay. Right. If we see from the parts, the head and the body, D won't belong to the group because it has only one part of the body. Okay. What do you think? Is it interesting? Yes. Let's see the next one. We're going to practice a reading. We're going to practice our reading, yeah? We're going to read the text about the solar system. Now, please, everyone, listen to me and repeat after me, yeah? We're going to read it one sentence by sentence. Okay, please listen carefully. Our solar system has 8 planets, everybody.
Our solar system has 8 planets.
There's 8 planets.
The word solar means of the sun, and at the center of our solar system is the sun.
The word
solar means
of the sun, and
at the
center
center of our solar system is the sun.
Good. All the planets go around the sun.
All the planets go around the sun.
We say they orbit the sun. We say they orbit the sun.
We say they orbit the sun.
Each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun, it completes a year, but these years are not all the same as ours. Okay, let's cut the sentence into some parts. Each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun,
each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun,
it completes a year.
It completes a year.
But these years are not all the same as ours.
But these years are not all the same as ours.
Yes. Planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years.
Planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years.
Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years.
Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years.
On Earth, a year is 365 days.
On Earth,
A year is 365 days.
But the planet that is farthest from the sun takes 60,000 Earth days to orbit it.
But the planet that is farthest from the sun takes 1,600,000 days to orbit it.
About 165 Earth years.
About 165 Earth
years.
Okay, good. Let's continue, yeah? The sun is not a planet.
The sun is not
a planet.
It is a star.
It is a star.
It is the only star that we can see in the daytime.
It is the only star that we can see in the daytime.
The sun's diameter, the distance from one side to the other side through the center, is more than 1 million kilometers.
The sun's diameter, the distance from one side to the other side
of the center
is more than
1 million kilometers. The sun is so big that you could put 1 million Earth inside it.
The sun is so big
that you could put 1 million Earths
inside it.
Many of the planets have a moon.
Many of the planets have a moon.
This is a smaller object that orbits a planet.
This is a smaller object that orbits a planet.
Earth has one moon,
Earth has one moon,
but some planets have more than 50.
but some planets have more than
more than 50.
50, yes. Very good, everybody. Now let's practice pronouncing some words ya. Ada kata-kata yang agak susah diucapkan, kita latih bareng-bareng ya. Solar system, everyone.
solar system.
Solar system.
8 planets.
8 planets.
Solar.
Solar.
Center.
Center.
Planets.
Planets.
Around. Orbit. Completes. These. Yeah, these. Good. Hours. Same as hours. Far. Shorter years. Farther. Longer. 365 days.
365 days.
Farthest from the sun. Farthest from the sun. Yeah.
Farthest from the sun.
60,000 Earth days.
60,000 Earth days.
Good. Now let's see this one. Daytime, everybody. Daytime. Diameter. Distance. Through. Ya, seperti tak. Through. Ya, through. Seperti tak tapi dikasih R. Seperti true tapi dikasih agak nafas sedikit H. Through the center. Yes, through the center. 1 million kilometers.
1 million
Kilometers. Good. And then this one, inside it.
Inside it.
Yes. Smaller object.
Smaller object.
Good. Now we're going to practice reading sentence by sentence ya. Kita nanti gantian. So number 1 will be with me, Miss Yunita, and then Rara, and then Raushan, and then Fesi. Kalau Fesi sudah selesai, balik lagi ke Miss Yunita ya. Miss Yunita, Rara, Raushan, Fesi. Miss Yunita, Rara, Raushan, Fesi. Okay, we're going to read the text ya. Kalau ingin pronunciation-nya bagus, harus sering baca keras. Bahasa keras itu bahasa Inggrisnya read aloud. So we have to practice reading aloud ya, agar pronunciation kita bagus. Nanti kalau pengucapannya bagus, kalau speaking juga bagus. Okay? Let's see. Let's practice together, okay? Our solar system has 8 planets. Rara, please continue the next sentence. Kalimat selanjutnya, Rara. The second, the word.
Suaranya kecil soalnya.
Suaranya siapa? Suara Miss Yunita?
Bisa kayak kecil gitu.
Oh, oke.
Nggak terlalu kedengeran.
Sekarang sudah? Belum?
Sudah.
Oke. Let me start ya. Let me read again. Our solar system has 8 planets. Rara, please continue.
The word solar means of the sun, and at the center of our solar system is the sun.
Good. Raushan, please.
All the planets go around the sun.
Good. Fesi?
They say they orbit the sun.
Each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun, it completes a year, but these years are not all the same as ours. Sarah?
Planets that planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years.
Ya, lanjut. Belum satu kalimat.
Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years.
Good, Raushan.
On Earth, a year is 3
100.
365
365 days.
365 days, but the planet that is farthest from the sun takes 60,000 Earth day to orbit it. About 165 Earth years.
Good. Fessy.
The sun is not a planet.
It is a star. Tara? Yuk, Tara. It is the only star. Second paragraph. It is the only star.
It is the only star that we can see in the daytime.
Yes. Good.
The sun's diameter, the distance from one side to the other side through the center, is more than 1 million kilometers. The sun
Yes.
is
That's it. That's it. Sampai situ. Okay. Yeah, Fessy, please. Thank you. The sun is so big, Fessy?
The sun is so big that you could put 1 million Earths inside it.
Good. Many of the planets have a moon. Tara? This is a smaller object.
Oh yeah. This is a smaller object that orbits a planet.
Earth has one moon, but some planets have more than 50.
Yes, 50. Very good. Okay. Now, while we take a rest, we're going to read again later. Harus dilatih ya, seperti kita kalau latihan karate, kalau latihan masak, latihan yang lain, harus dibaca. Okay, while having a break, I'm going to share with you our quizzes for today. Yeah, we're going to play a game on solar system. So if you remember the fact that we had just now, which one is the hottest, which one is the nearest, then we're going to have this one. I'm sharing with you the link of the quizzes over here, everyone. Kapan Rara ulang tahun?
Rara ulang tahun loh, Miss, hari ini.
Oh, Masya Allah.
Enggak bunda kado, jadi dia merengut, Miss.
Kadonya masih terkirim.
Oh, ya. Bulannya sama kayak Miss Unita dong, Rara. Happy birthday, Rara. Barakallah. Yuk, let's play together. Ocean is in. Sarah is in. So the game is about solar system, yeah? When we read an article, then we will see the information and it will add something to our knowledge. Ya, jadi harus banyak baca. Let's do the game. Good luck everybody. Bismillah. Sekarang, tapi betul ya. Very good. Alright, because Bessie is not here, I'm going to end the game ya.
Messi?
Bessie is in the bathroom. Hey, Rara, congratulations. Okay. Very nice, very good ya. Gimana, gampang, susah, Rara? Is it difficult or easy? Is it difficult or easy? The game?
Easy.
Easy ya. Easy. Jadi semua hal kalau kita tahu itu menjadi mudah, ya kan? Seperti bahasa Inggris, kalau kita tahu caranya jadi gampang. Makanya harus terus belajar biar lama-lama bahasa Inggrisnya jadi mudah. Oke, let's practice again ya. Let's practice. Kita baca lagi berulang-ulang biar nanti bacanya bisa cepat seperti Miss Yunita. Oke? Yeah. Now we're going to start from Raushan. We're going to start from Raushan ya. Raushan, and then Miss Yunita, and then Rara, and then Fesi. Okay. Raushan will be number 1. And then me, Miss Yunita, and then Rara, and Fesi. Nanti kalau Fesi belum di sini, Miss Yunita wakili dulu. So, Raushan, Miss Yunita, Rara, Fesi. Fesi dapat keempat lagi. Oke. Okay. It's okay. Biar gak sama, Raushan, Fesi, Rara, and Miss Yunita deh. Ya, biar nggak sama seperti tadi. Okay, Raushan, you go first.
Your solar system has 8 planets.
Okay, and then Fesi, yeah. Let me read for Fesi. The word solar means of the sun, and at the center of our solar system is the sun. Rara?
Oh yeah. All the planets go around the sun.
Yes, now it's my turn. We say they orbit the sun.
Each time planet makes one orbit of the sun, it completes a year. But these years are not all the same as ours.
Good. Fesi, are you there? Not
Masih
yet.
sepi.
Oh yeah, not yet. So I'm going to read again. Planets that are not far from the
Yes,
sun.
Miss.
Yes, okay. You will be the second one after Raushan. Please read from planets. This one, Fesi.
Planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years. Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years.
Longer, yeah, longer. Okay. Rara.
On Earth, a year is 365 days, but the planets that is farthest from the sun takes 1600
60,000.
16,000 Earth
60,000.
days to orbit it, about 165 Earth years.
60, yeah, Rara. 165 Earth years. Okay, now my turn. The sun is not a planet. Raushan?
It is a star.
Good. Fesi? Hello, Fesi?
It is
Okay.
the only star we can see in the daytime.
Good. Rara?
The sun diameter, the distance from one side to the other side from the center, is more than 100 million kilometers.
Kilometers. Yes, that's it.
The sun is so
It's
big.
my turn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The sun is so big that you could put 1 million Earths inside it. Raushan?
Many of the planets have a moon.
Fesi? This is a smaller object. Hello, Fesi?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. This is a smaller object. Your turn.
This is a smaller object that orbits a planet.
Good. Rara.
Earth has one moon, but some planets have more than 15.
50.
15.
Yes. 50.
50.
Iya, 15 itu 15. 50, 50. Okay, now we're going to read one paragraph, ya, one paragraph. Kita gantian. Rara, Raushan, Fesi, please read one paragraph, ya, one paragraph. This one is paragraph 1, this one is paragraph 2, and this is the third paragraph. Nanti kita gantian, bacanya satu paragraph. Okay, so you can read all the text, ya. Please try to read faster. Agak cepat biar bisa belajar baca lebih cepat, ya. Okay, for the first round, putaran pertama, Fesi will read paragraph 1, Raushan will read paragraph 2, and Rara will read paragraph 3, ya. Okay, Fesi, please start.
Our solar system has 8 planets.
One paragraph to this one, Cassie. Sampai 165 Earth years.
The word solar means of the sun, and at the center of our solar system is the sun. All, all the planets go around the sun. We say they orbit the sun. Each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun, it's complete. Uh, it completes a year, but these years are not all the same as ours. Planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years. Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years. On Earth, a year is three six.
365 days.
365 days, but the planet that is farthest from the sun takes
60,000
60,000 Earth days to orbit it. About
165.
165 Earth years.
Very nice. Very good, Fesi. Raushan. Second paragraph.
The sun is not a planet. It is a star. It is the only star that we can see in the daytime. The sun's diameter, the distance from one side to the other side through the center, is more than 1 million kilometers. The sun is so big that you could put 1 million Earths inside it.
Yes, you could put. Yeah, you could put. Very good. Rara, third paragraph. The third paragraph, please.
Many of the planets have a moon. This is a smaller object that orbits a planet. Earth has one moon, but some planets have more than 50.
Yes, very nice. Now let's take turn, yeah. Muter. Now, Rara, you read paragraph 1. And then Fesi, you read paragraph 2. Raushan, you read paragraph 3. Okay, let's practice more. Rara, please start.
Our solar system has 8 planets. The word solar means of the sun, and at the center of our solar system is the sun. All the planets go around the sun. We say they orbit the sun. Each time of planets make one orbit of the sun, it completes a year. But these years are not all the same as ours. Planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years. Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years. On Earth, a year is 365 days. But the planet that is farthest from the sun takes 600 Earth days to orbit it. About 165 Earth years.
Yeah, okay. Good, Zara. I think the second one is Fesi, yeah? Fesi or Raushan? Fesi. The second paragraph, please, Fesi.
The sun is not a planet. It is a star. It is the only star that we can see in the daytime. The sun's diameter, the distance from one side to the other side through the center, is more than 1 million kilometers. The sun is so big that you could put 1 million Earths inside it. Many of the planets have a
Okay,
moon.
that's it. The third paragraph will be Raushan, I guess.
Any of the planets have a moon. This is a smaller object that orbits a planet. Earth has one moon, but some planets have more than 50.
50. Yes. Is it easy or difficult, everybody, to read this text? Raushan, is it easy or difficult?
Difficult.
Difficult, yeah, because you have new words. Ya, ada kata-kata yang baru ya. Now let's see the last round ya, the last round. So we're going to have Raushan for the first paragraph, and then Rara for, is it correct? Rara for the second paragraph, and Fesi for the third paragraph ya. Raushan, Rara, and Fesi. Okay, Raushan, please start.
Your solar system.
Our solar system.
Our solar system has 8 planets. The word solar means of the sun, and at the center of your our solar system is the sun. All the planets go around the sun. We say they orbit the sun. Each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun, it completes a years, but these years are not all the same as ours. Planets that are not far from the sun have shorter years. Planets that are farther from the sun have longer years. On Earth, a year is 365 days. But the planet that is farthest from the sun takes 60,000 Earth days to orbit it. About 165 Earth years.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Rara, your turn.
Okay. The sun is not a planet. It is a star. It is the only star that we can see in the daytime. The sun diameter, the distance from one side to the other side through the center, is more than 100 million kilometers. The sun is so big that you could put 1 million Earth inside it.
Yes. This one is million, yeah, 1 million kilometers. Good. Fesi, the last paragraph.
Yes.
Yes. The third paragraph, Fesi, please.
Many of the planets have a moon. This is a smaller object that orbits a planet. Earth has one moon, but some planets have more than 50.
50, yes. Very good, Raushan, Rara, and Fesi. You have completed reading this text, yeah, very long text. Okay, the homework is to read this part or this part. I'm going to divide this into two, yeah, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the first paragraph. Part 2 is paragraph 2 and 3. So you can choose whether you're going to read part A, part 1, or part 2. Ya, PR-nya merekam suara sendiri membaca part A atau part 1, paragraph 1, or part 2, paragraph 2 and 3. Ya, boleh pilih. Kalau mau baca semuanya boleh, Miss, boleh. Tapi wajibnya baca satu bagian, paragraph 1 or paragraph 2 and 3. Ya, bagian 1 atau bagian 2. Pilih salah satu, paragraf 1 atau paragraf 2 dan 3. Boleh video, Miss? Boleh. Boleh voice note? Boleh. Boleh suaranya saja atau boleh pakai video. Okay, so that is your homework. Today we practice reading about solar system, yeah. And the deadline of your homework will be next week. Karena minggu depan kita akan sesi ke-11. Besok sore makeup class. Your homework should be submitted before the next session, ya. Waktunya untuk PR hari ini bisa sampai minggu depan. Dikirimkan ke Telegram group boleh, ke Telegramnya Miss Yunita boleh, ke WA-nya Miss Yunita boleh. Ya, so whatever you choose, just please practice. Choose paragraph 1 or paragraph 2 and 3 or the whole paragraph, yeah, the whole article. You can practice reading paragraph 1, paragraph 2 or 3, or the whole article. Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. Let's see next session tomorrow afternoon, ya. Besok sore kita ketemu lagi jam 3.30, ya, jam setengah 4 sampai jam 4.40. Kita belajar 70 menit besok. Kalau ada acara, kasih tahu Miss Yunita ya, biar tahu, nanti biar bisa dikirim rekamannya. Rekaman hari ini dan besok moga-moga bisa segera di-upload lagi. Yang sesi-sesi kemarin sudah di-upload ke YouTube. Kalau mau dilihat lagi, bisa ya. Thank you very much everybody. See you tomorrow. Let's close today's session. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaih. Thank you very much Raushan. Thank you Rara. Thank you Fesi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Bye-bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Yes, Raushan.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.